Colorjoy AI has just hit the market, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, this review will break down 7 crucial things you need to know. This is one of the best newly released AI tools, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why. Stick around till the end because I'll be showing you exactly what makes Colorjoy AI a potential game changer for your workflow. And by the way, you can try Colorjoy for free by clicking the link in the description below. Now, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about its core functionality. Colorjoy AI is an advanced color palette generator that uses machine learning to suggest optimal color combinations for your design projects. Whether you're working on a website, a logo, or a marketing campaign, Colorjoy's ability to choose colors that complement each other can save you hours of manual design work. The second point is how easy it is to use. For anyone who's tried other AI-driven design tools, you know that usability can make or break the experience. Colorjoy AI excels here. The interface is intuitive, with no steep learning curve. You can start generating palettes in seconds, and even beginners will find it easy to get results that look professional. The AI learns your preferences and refines suggestions over time, making it smarter with every use. One of the most exciting features is its customization options. Not only does Colorjoy AI offer automated color palettes based on your input, but it also allows for a deep level of customization. You can adjust the saturation, brightness, and hue, or even set preferences for specific color schemes like pastel or neon. This flexibility makes it perfect for both creative professionals and marketing teams who need specific, tailored results for different types of campaigns. Another huge selling point is its integration with other tools. Colorjoy AI doesn't operate in a vacuum. You can seamlessly export your color palettes to popular design software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Figma, making it easy to integrate into your existing workflow. Plus, it offers support for web color standards, ensuring your designs are web-ready without additional conversions. But here's where it gets really interesting. Colorjoy AI isn't just for designers. Marketers will appreciate the way it optimizes for psychological impact. Color psychology plays a huge role in consumer behavior, and Colorjoy AI factors this into its recommendations. If you're crafting an ad campaign or social media content, the AI takes into account the emotional response certain colors provoke, helping you increase engagement with your audience. And speaking of its intelligence, Colorjoy AI is backed by cutting-edge machine learning. As it learns from your preferences and the broader design community, it continues to improve its suggestions, making it an invaluable tool for anyone looking to streamline their design process. Whether you're creating content for social media or designing a brand's visual identity, the AI adapts to fit your unique needs. Lastly, there's the pricing. While it's not completely free, Colorjoy AI offers a free trial that lets you explore its features without committing. If you're new to AI tools, this is a great opportunity to test it out before deciding whether to subscribe. Plus, the value you get, especially for the time it saves you, makes it well worth the investment. So, there you have it. Colorjoy AI stands out as one of the best newly released AI software tools. It offers a powerful, intuitive design solution for anyone looking to improve their workflow, whether you're a designer, marketer, or business owner. And remember, you can try Colorjoy for free by clicking the link below. If you've tried Colorjoy or any other AI tools, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, check out my recommended AI tools in the description below. After testing thousands of AI software, these are the ones I trust and use.